Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year, chapter number 1, functions and limit. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.2, question number 2, part number 1. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 2, part 1. Question 2, for the real valued function f defined below, find a f inverse of x, b part f inverse of minus x, and verify f into f inverse of x is equal to f inverse into f of x is equal to x. Part 1, f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. First of all, let's pause. First, as it is, f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. As we take y is equal to f of x, so f of x is equal to y. It can also be written in the form y is equal to minus 2x plus 8. So y minus 8 is equal to minus 2x. 8 on the other side, sign will be negative. Dividing by minus 2 on both sides. Minus 2 cancel. So minus into y minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to minus multiply minus y minus multiply minus plus 8 divided by 2. X is equal to 8 minus y divided by 2. As we know that y is equal to f of x. X is equal to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to 8 minus y divided by 2. Replace y by x. So f inverse of x is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. A part f inverse of x is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. Answer. Next, b part. This is equal to a. Next, b part. F inverse of minus 1. So equation number 1, put x is equal to minus 1 in 1. So 1 becomes f inverse of minus 1 is equal to 8 minus into x is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Next, f inverse of minus 1 is equal to 8 minus multiply minus plus divided by 2. So f inverse of minus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1 9 divided to part A and B, which is the required solution of A and B. Next verification, f into f inverse of x is equal to f inverse into f of x is equal to x. So f of x is given minus 2x plus 8. F inverse of x is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. First, f into f inverse of x. So f into f inverse of x is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. F into 8 minus x divided by 2, so f of x is equal to minus 2. X replaced by 8 minus x divided by 2. Plus 8 minus 2 plus 2 cancel, minus into 8 minus x plus 8 minus plus minus 8 minus multiply minus plus x plus 8 minus 8 cancel is equal to x. Next, f inverse into f of x. So f inverse into f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 8. F inverse into minus 2x plus 8. So f inverse is equal to 8 minus x. 8 minus x replaced by minus 2x plus 8 divided by 2. F inverse into 8 minus x, x replaced by minus 2x plus 8 whole divided by 2. So 8 minus multiply minus plus 2x minus plus minus 8 divided by 2 minus 8 plus 8 cancel, 2x divided by 2 to cancel x, which is the required solution. F into f inverse of x is equal to x. F inverse into f of x is equal to x, which is equal to x, which is the required solution. Yes student, next question number 2, part number 2. F of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7. Solution, first of all, we write as it is. F of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7. First, as it is question, as we take y is equal to f of x replaced by y, so y is equal to 3x cube plus 7. Y plus 7 and the other side is minus 7, 3x cube, dividing by 3 on both sides, 3 cancel, x cube is equal to y minus 7 divided by 3, taking cube root on both sides. So x cube root is equal to 1 divide 3 is equal to y minus 7 divided by 3 whole cube root. It means power 1 divide 3. So x power 3 multiply 1 divide 3, 3 cancel, is equal to y minus 7 divided by 3 cube root. So x is equal to y minus 7 divided by 3 whole cube root. It means power 1 divide 3. We know that y is equal to f of x. It can also be written in the form x is equal to f inverse of x. X is equal to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y is equal to x. It means value of x is equal to y minus 7 divided by 3 whole cube root. Replacing y by x, so f inverse of x is equal to x minus 7 divided 3 whole cube root. Next, equation number 1. Put x is equal to second part f inverse of minus 1. Solve. So put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So f inverse of minus 1 is equal to x is equal to minus 1 minus 7 divided by 3 whole cube root is equal to minus 8 divided 3 whole cube root is equal to minus 8 2 cube divided by whole 1 cube root divided by 3 cube root is equal to minus 2 3 power 3 multiply 1 divide 3 cancel divided by 3 whole cube. So minus 2 divided by 3 power 1 divide 3 f inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus 2 divide cube root of 3. Next, verification of part 2. Verification. Next, and verify f into f inverse of x is equal to f inverse into f x is equal to x. First f into f inverse of x. So f into f inverse of x is equal to x minus 7 divide 3 whole cube root. So f is equal to 3x cube plus 7 3x cube. It means x replaced by x minus 7 divide 3 whole cube root. X power cube, it means x replaced by x minus 7 divide 3 x minus 7 divide 3 whole cube root plus 7 is equal to 3 into x minus 7 divide 3 power 3 multiply 1 divide 3 cancel plus 7. So 3 into x minus 7 divide 3 plus 7. 3 cancel. X minus 7 plus 7 is equal to, plus minus cancel, is equal to x. Next, f inverse into f of x. First of all, f inverse into f of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7. So f inverse into 3x cube plus 7, it means f inverse of x is equal to x minus 7 divided by 3 whole cube root. So x, first x replaced by 3x cube plus 7 minus 7 divided by 3 whole cube root, it means whole cube root, minus 7 plus 7 cancel, 3x cube divided by 3 whole cube root, 3 cancel. So x cube whole power cube root, x cube multiply 1 divide 3 cancel, is equal to x, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.